All right, today I want to introduce to you a new belt application. This is a Ski-Doo belt. It is made by Mitsubishi, which is the same company that makes the OEM belt. And we want to introduce ourselves to you snowmobile guys. We've been mainly ATV, UTV for such a long time, 23 years. However, with the relationships with two belt companies that we have now, we've decided to expand our lineup. And we certainly starting off with the hotter seller vehicles belts, and the 850 and 900 Ace Ski-Doo just happens to be their #1 selling Can-Am belt. And so we have it. The main difference that you'll find in ours over the OE, even though they're made by the same company, is we always opt for the highest grade material compound for the highest horsepower vehicles. That actually, the OEs, a lot of times, depending on applications, but sometimes they will opt for a lower grade, save a few bucks, and then we don't. If there's a latest and greatest, higher performance, high horsepower carrying capacity compound available, that's what we always opt for. So it is, like I said, made by the same company the OEs is. It is a great belt, and if you got any questions, Todd at Hunterworks.com. Thanks.